A flat surface can be produced by a lathe machine if the cutting tool moves perpendicular to the axis of rotation of workpiece. What is the function of cone pulley drive in lathe machine? Change the spindle speed. Which of the following is a mechanism for mechanized movement of the carriage along longitudinal axis? Apron. The function of taper turning process is to reduce the diameter of a workpiece along its length. The process of beveling sharp ends of a workpiece is called as chamfering. In an isolated system, dash can be transferred between the system and the surrounding, neither energy nor mass. Which of the following is an extrinsic property? Volume. How is absolute pressure measured? Gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. The extrinsic property of the system is depend on the mass of the system. An isobaric process has constant pressure. Which of the following energy conversion device convert heat into work? IC engine, Lancashire boiler are internally fired tube boiler. A smoke tube boiler have large water to steam ratio, hence are slow in operation. Which of the following statement are false? Reaction turbine. तो हो जाएगा flow of water can be regulated without any loss. Water flow at constant atmospheric over the runner. ये दोनों गलत हैं. सही है. They are suitable for low heads. It works on the principle of impulse and reaction. In four-stroke cycle engine, cycle is completed in two revolution of the crankshaft. Which type of bearing are known as anti-friction bearing? Rolling contact bearing. In rollers bearing, which type of rolling element are used? Cylindrical roller, taper rollers or spherical rollers. Why is the load carrying capacity low in ball bearing? Due to point contact between the inner race and the ball. Cylindrical roller bearing have greater radial load carrying capacity. Which of the following statement is true? George clutch is a positive clutch. Determine torque transmitted on the pinion shaft if the torque transmitted on gear shaft is 20 Newton meter. Consider gear ratio is 4. So gear shaft by gear ratio, it means 20 by 4 यानी कि 5 Newton meter. Which of the following statement is true for the gear drives? They are used to transmit power between non-intersecting and parallel shaft. Is the in which power transmitting drive polygon effect is observed? Chain drive. What is meant by the gear ratio? The ratio of pinion speed and gear speed. Which gear is used to connect two intersecting shaft axis? Bevel gear. In a stress strain diagram, up to the proportional limit is stress is directly proportional to strain. Deformation per unit length is called strain. Which of the following material do not have a well-defined yield point? Heat treated steel, concrete or carbon fiber. Factor of safety is the ratio of yield strength and working stress. The